What's going on, everyone? It's your boy, Joe Sweet, back with another vlog. I know I haven't vlogged in a long time. I haven't actually posted anything in a long time, but I have a good explanation for that. I have been super busy with my new job, and so it's kind of difficult for me to post videos. I don't make money off of YouTube videos right now. I'm trying to get up there. I'm trying to join Clout Gang. Shout out to Rice Gum, FaZe Banks, Alyssa Violet, Summer Rae, and Wolfie, even though he's not really technically part of Clout Gang, but that is the homie. Well, not really the homie, but I love their videos. Anyway, so today I'm going to be posting a video shaving off my mustache. Yesterday, I shaved this whole beard thing that I had going on, and I put up a poll on Instagram asking people if I should shave my mustache, and I got more yes votes than I did no votes. So that is what I'm going to do today. So I will see y'all in the bathroom shaving this stash off. First pair of clippers I'm going to use to start shaving this off. Now, the razor.